Introducing the MAG 342 CQR, a 34-inch ultra-wide curved monitor from MSI, featuring a VA panel designed to deliver wide visuals and a smooth display experience. In the unboxing, we'll find a DisplayPort cable, power adapter, set of screws and manuals, the stand feet, stand column, and of course the 34-inch monitor. The base legs are made of a metallic alloy, equipped with anti-slip material on each of the 3 contact points, providing stability and a secure setup on different surfaces. The stand has an internal metallic mechanism encased in plastic, with an integrated space for cable management to keep cables out of sight. The base comes with a quick release system, making it super easy to assemble or disassemble from the monitor with no tools required. Additionally, the monitor is VESA ready, so it can be attached to support arms. This 34-inch VA ultra-wide panel delivers a resolution of 3440 by 1440 pixels, a refresh rate of up to 180 Hz through DisplayPort with a response time of 1 millisecond, and a 300 nits brightness. In additional specs, the monitor is HDR ready, with a 3000:1 contrast ratio for a good level of blacks and highlights, and it supports 10-bit color for lifelike visuals. Ergonomic features will allow you to adjust height up to 90 millimeters. Swivel 30 degrees to each side. Tilt from -5 to 20 degrees. And even pivot just up to 5 degrees. For connectivity, the monitor comes with 2 HDMI 2.0 ports at 100 Hz max, 1 DisplayPort 1.4 at 180 Hz max, and a 3.5mm headphone out jack for audio, even though the monitor does not have built-in speakers. RGB lighting is built into the matte black plastic housing, adding a minimalistic touch to the back of the monitor. The borderless design flows seamlessly into the 1500R curve of the screen, creating a continuous surface that feels smooth and uniform. Among the monitor's features, response time can be adjusted to normal, fast, or fastest. Setting it to fastest may improve pixel response, but it can also introduce inverse ghosting in certain situations. The MSI MAG 342 CQR works for both entertainment and productivity. Simulation games, open world, and non-FPS titles take advantage of the 21:9 aspect ratio, and it's great for movies. For work, the screen can even be split into 3 sections to improve multitasking. The MSI 342 supports 2 display modes, picture-in-picture and picture-by-picture. PIP lets you display a secondary input in a smaller window over your main screen, adjustable in size and position. PBP allows you to split the screen into 2 sections, showing content from different sources side by side. It's like having 2 monitors in one, ideal for working with different devices at the same time. On the downside, the 300 nits brightness works fine for most indoor setups, but in bright rooms or near direct sunlight, the colors may not look as vibrant as you can see on screen. There are also no USB or charging ports, so connectivity could be limited for some users. So while it may not be flawless, it balances performance and value in a way that makes it worth considering. On the other hand, this monitor is still a solid choice for enjoying an ultra-wide immersive experience for an affordable price. You can support our channel by subscribing for more upcoming reviews, quick unboxings, and PC builds. Until the next one.